Hi there, I'm Corey McCain, CEO of WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. The homepage is meant to be a beautiful snapshot of your fitness business. From here, you can easily see your client tags, workout compliance, break down your payments, and access reporting. Client workout compliance refers to what percentage of days within a fitness plan your client actually finishes their workout. If you assigned a workout on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, but your client only worked out Monday and Thursday, they would see a compliance of 50%, aka 2 out of 4 days. We also highlight this on the right side of your page as an alert for when your client's compliance falls too low. In this same section, you'll have an alert for when a client's program is ending soon and needs a new one. If we hop back to our Stripe balance, this is how you can process payments with your clients. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and we have a video for this as well in the FAQ. The sales graph will give you a quick overview of where your payments are coming from, whether it's a recurring invoice, a subscription from your website, or a one-time invoice. Your client tags section provides a quick screenshot to let you know where you're at with your clients. We recommend adding tags like weight loss, bodybuilding, summer challenge, etc., so that you can stay more organized when assigning programs, messages, and more. The main feature of this page is the recent activities breakdown. From here, you can see everything from reviews your client leaves after workouts, if they add their body weight, if a survey is completed, when progress photos are taken, and so much more. From this dropdown, I can even adjust which specific updates I want to look at. From every page, you'll easily be able to access the top navigation. From here, you can instantly create a program, add a client, upload a nutrition plan, add a new exercise, add a new invoice, assign a program, or add a reminder. Reminders are broken up as progress photo requests, habits, surveys, and more. The question mark button is where you can watch any tutorials, chat with us, or access FAQs. The referral dropdown is where you can get paid to refer other coaches. All you have to do is just send them that link, and once they start training on WeStrive, we'll pay you a percentage of their subscription. If they're paying hundreds for a subscription, then you can expect to make at least $100 in referrals. You also have the notifications tab, which is a summary of your recent activities. And then the light bulb icon will show you all the new WeStrive features, plus what features we're going to release next. Finally, we have our Zapier integration, which has a full video tutorial on its own. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.